I thought that I would film a quick little video just all about lash extensions. I just posted a video of how I do my makeup when I have lash extensions, so I wanted to do a video just talking about my lash extensions. I used to get lash extensions all the time, and I want to give you guys some tips on how to take care of them. This is what I've always done with my lash extensions, and I've never had any problem with losing my real eyelashes or anything like that, because I know that is a big concern for a lot of people who are thinking about getting lash extensions. So I'm here to tell you, if you take care of your lash extensions properly, you will not lose your natural lashes. So the main thing is not using oil-based products, because that will make the life of your lash extensions a lot shorter, just because it does break down the glue. A big thing is not to pick your lashes. I know sometimes they can get uncomfortable if they get a little bit tangled, but you just have to be gentle with them. When you're washing your face, you don't want to be scrubbing your eyes, because that is going to pull at the lashes, and if you're pulling the false lashes out, then they are going to take your real lash with, because of the glue that is stuck on there. A big thing for me, what I find really helps, is when I'm applying makeup to my eyelids, I like to use just a little brush just to get in there and work around the lashes, just so the brush or the makeup isn't actually touching my lashes at all, and I don't have to worry about wiping them or constantly cleaning the lashes. And then I like to always have a little brush and brushing them out if they do get tangled, so I'm not pulling at them, and so I find that helps a lot as well. So I feel like a lot of people are scared because their lashes are going to get wrecked, and I've heard that from a lot of people, but I used to have my lashes done all the time, and I never had any problems with my lashes, my natural lashes, coming out or losing them or anything like that. So I think if you take care of them properly and do the proper steps with them, you won't have any problem with your natural lashes, and then you'll also get to keep your lash extensions a lot longer. When I used to get my lashes done all the time, my lashes would last up to 2 months, and no, they weren't crazy full for the full 2 months. They did fall out by themselves, and they did not take any of my natural lashes with, just because the glue was gone, so they just fell off. But they lasted me a really long time, and they looked really good. So if you take care of your lashes properly, you can have them for a really long time. And a lot of people say that they wreck your natural lashes, but it's all about how you take care of them. So I hope that those little tips helped you guys out. But yeah, so I thought I would just film that quick little video just to let you guys know a little bit about lash extensions and how you can take care of them. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope this video helped those of you who are thinking about lash extensions but weren't quite sure. But I say go for it, because I think that they just add the smallest enhancement to your face, and even when you're not wearing makeup, you look beautiful. And I'm not saying that you don't look beautiful if you don't have lash extensions, but for me personally, it just adds that little something that makes me feel extra confident when I don't have any makeup on. So I really love that as well. And it makes applying your makeup so much quicker, because you don't even have to worry about your eyes, and it just makes life easier. And as a girl, life's hard, so get yourself some lash extensions. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed.